Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and this tool is a must have for any pet parent.
I don't know what kind of magic they have put into this tool, but the people at Sukitch know what they are doing when it comes to getting pet hair off your couch. This couch here is my dog's couch. She sits here and looks out the window, and she has long, long hair, and it so easily got her fur up and off of this couch. I love all of the little details. This comes with this extra little small brush for reaching hard to reach areas and the brush that clips right into the top for easy cleaning. This thing really is such a lifesaver when it comes to getting pet hair off of your couches. I don't know how I've lived without this, and I think everyone needs one.
Don't worry about your pets getting on the couch because if you have this tool, it'll be like they were never there in the first place. You absolutely need one, and that is my point of view.